BJP's Roshan Lal challenges Congress stronghold in Barkagaon. In Barkagaon, Congress MLA Amba Prasad is up against BJP's Roshan Lal, who aims to overturn the Congress foothold in the region. Amba, belonging to a politically established family, secured victory by a large margin in the last election. Her father and mother have both held the seat, reinforcing the family's political ties in the area. Roshan Lal, related to AJSU Sudesh Mahto, has contested the seat before but faces his strongest chance yet with BJP's coalition backing. Barkagaon's electorate will weigh Amba's family legacy against the BJP's organized candidate strategy, making it keenly contested election. The result could impact the party's morale and future coalition strategies in the region.
BJP and JMM set for Yadav clash in Barkatta. The Barkatta assembly seat in Jharkhand will witness a Yadav versus Yadav contest as BJP's Amit Yadav goes head to head with JMM's Janki Prasad Yadav on November 13, with results expected on November 23. Amit, who won independently in 2019 after BJP denied him a ticket, is now back with the party. JMM's candidate Janki Prasad was once aligned with senior BJP leader Babulal Marandi, adding complexity to the rivalry. In a twist, District Council member Kumkum Devi, who was denied a BJP ticket, will run as an independent, accusing BJP leader of bias. This multi-layered race underscores Barkatta's political tensions, with the outcome potentially shaping both party dynamics and local alliances as internal rifts and public sentiment are tested.
CPI-ML aims to hold stronghold against BJP in Bagodar. Bagodar, a CPI-ML stronghold in Jharkhand's Giridih district, will host an intense electoral battle in the second voting phase on November 20. CPI-ML candidate Vinod Kumar Singh, a third-time MLA, seeks his fourth win, with the constituency long favouring his left-wing party. BJP's Nagendra Mahto, determined to reclaim the seat, is vying against Singh amid an India Bloc BJP standoff. Vinod, whose father also served the constituency, has a firm support base but faces challenges in caste-diverse Bagodar, which has substantial SC and ST populations. The results will gauge CPI-ML's grip over Bagodar and the BJP's strength in winning back regional strongholds. RJD leaders Sabharkar comments impact Maharashtra election. RJD MP Sudhakar Singh's recent remark criticizing Veer Sabharkar have stirred Maharashtra's political landscape, with BJP leveraging this to counter the India Bloc, which includes the Shiv Sena faction led by Uddhav Thackeray. Singh alleged that Sabharkar had collaborated with the British, spurring BJP leaders to intensify their call for his recognition as a Bharat Ratna, especially in Maharashtra, where Sabharkar's legacy is sufficient. Uddhav's party is navigating complex dynamics between coalition members and local sentiments regarding Sabharkar. BJP's emphasis on Sabharkar's legacy could influence the election narratives, pushing the India Bloc into delicate strategic decision ahead of the state elections. PM Modi to address Jharkhand voters at Garhwa rally. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to rally voters in Jharkhand's Garhwa district on November 4, aiming to galvanize support for BJP's election campaign. The gathering at Garhwa Chaitanya ground has seen extensive preparations as BJP officials set up logistic and security. The rally is crucial for BJP's double-engine government strategy, highlighting developmental initiatives they aim to replicate in Jharkhand. With state leaders like Rajya Sabha MP Deepak Prakash involved, Modi's visit underscores BJP's commitment to Jharkhand and their ambition for a sweeping victory across constituencies. The event is anticipated to unify party supporters and amplify the double-engine narrative.